Okay? Very good. Let's go. Four and two girls are there. Yes. So 2 extra ball. That's it. Okay? Let's go.
Baka lang lang yan.
Yeah. Miss Ramtay. Sarchana. Sarmama. Saranan. Dilipa. World 1. Lamatrangin.
Yeah. Yes, I catch the ball. But do you see a hole in my hand? I can see you from here, yeah? This is not proper catching. I catch, okay? Now, same thing, throw. Throw, easy throw. What is the difference now?
Engge dang lam na ba mi be hetat man kha engge dang lam
This
na
and this. Very different. This is proper catching. I catch it strong, yeah? Now you cannot come. But now if somebody pushes me, it can come out. So when you catch, proper catch. Okay, if the ball is falling down, I protect it. Okay? Alright? Ready? Catch it now. I told you, catch it. Yeah, that sound must come. Okay, ready? Throw and catch now. Let's see that. Yeah? Okay, time your jump, yeah? Time your jump. Ready? Go, no problem. Come on, don't pinch hand. Don't pinch hand. Ready again? Let's go, let's go. Come on. Very good, very good. Okay, well done. Okay, little bit of stretching. Leave the ball away, stretch little bit.
bol da ang stretching ang tin
Open your leg little bit. Not from here, yeah? More wide. Yeah, because you left leg, lift this leg now. See. Now you follow me. Follow me. Ready? And then from here, I jump. Okay? Let's jump without ball. Ready? Cross and jump. Cross and jump. On your own. 2 legs. Cross and jump. Whoop. 2 legs. Yeah? Ready? Now do this. If I say, come, both of you. Can you do this also? Or everyone? Come. This is important. Once you learn this. Now here inside. Well done.
Ah, good defending. Solomon.
cross Solomon cross come on
Lapping.
Next. Loma is junior. But roaming.
you were not there no that time because everyone were clueless but he helped a lot now this year you have champion
I came to Mizoram in 1992. I came to Mizoram to play.